What is algo trading? That is what we discussed last time. Today we're back and back again with another algo on option buying. How to do it, how to trade it, how to automate it, how to connect your broker. We're going to discuss it all today. Welcome and let's start our journey on AlgoTest with algos for option buyers. As you remember last time we discussed about how an algo automates your own strategy. If you want to check out that video, click on the I button and you'll be directed over there. So now let's begin. As we mentioned, algos automate your logic. Today my logic is based on option buying. What it is, how to automate it, what are the results, we are going to check out today. So welcome to AlgoTest. I'm going to log into my account. If you already don't have an account, you can easily sign up with your phone number or Google account and let's start. This is the dashboard. Let's understand how option buying works. Options, as you all know, are a decaying asset. As we get closer to the expiry, the price of an option decreases over time. Why is that? Very simple. Let's take an example of Reliance. Let's say Reliance is trading at 1,000 rupees right now. So 1 month from now, I buy an option, a call option, with a strike price of 1,050 and I pay a premium of 50 rupees on it. What does that mean? Very simple. It means this option gives me the right to buy Reliance at 1,050 rupees from the seller in 1 month's time, irrespective of where Reliance is trading right now. For example, Reliance might be trading at 1,200 rupees, but I have this option to buy Reliance at 1,050 rupees and pocket the 150 rupees as profit. But is this for free? Do I get this option for free? No, I paid 50 rupees for it. Alright, so my break-even point is 1100. It's as simple. I know most of you would already know this definition and would be well aware, but this is just to brush up what we are trying to do. Alright, now let's look at a strategy called Option Surge in our RA portfolio. We will go and understand this strategy in detail. So I will go under Marketplace, under RA Algos. I'll click on Raghav Malik and I will scroll down to Option Surge Sensex option buying. So let's understand what this strategy is. This is a BTST strategy. Buy today, sell tomorrow. Alright. Based on certain conditions, my option buying is triggered. It can be on the call side or it can be on the put side, depending on where the market is. So let's say if the market is falling, then the put buy will be triggered. But let's say if the market is rising, then call buy will be triggered. There is a possibility that both call and put get triggered. When will this happen? If the market is range bound. Alright. So let's understand. This strategy is based on the understanding that in the market there are gap ups and gap downs and we want to take advantage of it. Alright. There will be chances where I am long but the market gaps down. The next day I will suffer a loss. But there is also that possibility where I am long and the market rises or gaps up. I can make a huge profit. So we need to see how many days over the last 2 years has it been wherein the market has gapped up or gapped down and it has favored me. I am not saying it's going to happen all the time, but have I been able to make more money playing this gap up and gap down rather than the risk I have taken? So for example, let's say I have a 100 rupee call and the market gaps up 200 points and my option premium goes to 300. So I made 200 points. But let's say if the market gapped down and after the gap down, the price of the call was 10 rupees. I would have lost 90 rupees. So I need to analyze and see how this strategy would have performed in the last 2 years. I'll go through why 2 years as well. Let's start with the backtest. So it is a BTST strategy, Sensex option buying, margin only 25,000. But hold on, is that the capital? No, not yet. Alright, so let us backtest it for the last 2 years. Why am I doing it for the last 2 years? Because in the last 2 years, the market has been range bound and there have been many changes in the option market for the traders. There was the 0 DTE, which got switched to 2 expiries a week, and now we have the CAS. So let's see how this performs. All right. So the PNL looks pretty good for the amount it is asking. All right. The drawdown is also decent. All right. But what does it all mean? And this is my equity curve. First of all, please understand we are running this strategy only on DT 1, 2, 3, 4. What does it mean? We are not running this strategy on expiry day. I am running it 1 day before expiry, 2 days before expiry, 3 days before expiry and 4 days before expiry, which is Wednesday, Tuesday, Monday and Friday. All right. I am not running this strategy on Thursday. All right. Let's dive a bit deep. I am going to add my expenses, brokerage, which is at 20 rupees an order, and slippage. As you can see, there is hardly any brokerage that has been expensed. Why is that? Because I am taking a view and going ahead with it. I am not trailing, I am not scalping, I am keeping the position and I am hoping that the gap up and gap down is going to give me that extra boost. Along with that, I am also glad for an intraday trend. All right. So let's say my entry happens at 10 a.m. and the market keeps falling. My puts will get entered and the next day the market gaps down. That is the best scenario for me in this strategy. All right. So I'm not churning. I'm not scalping. I'm keeping the position for as long as possible. All right. Now let's put the 1% slippage. Even after that, you can see the win percent is pretty healthy. There was a drawdown which lasted for a while. So my drawdown started in Jan 2025 and it was there till around May 2025. This, if you remember, was a regime change. Market was switching from the 0 DTE regime to only 2 expiries a week. All right. So this could be the reason. Thereafter, it has been pretty decent. This year has been particularly good because of the Iran-US war. Trump tweets something, there is a gap up or a gap down, and if you were in the right place at the right time, you made decent money. It's as simple as that. All right. So now let's understand the drawdown and how to deal with it. As you can see, yes, the margin required to run this strategy is only 25,000, but your drawdown is 190% or around 50,000. Now, how does it work? All right. The margin required is not equal to the capital required. Guys, you will need more capital to run this strategy. I am not saying keep this capital in your broking account. It can be in your bank account. You can earn money on it. It's up to you. But as a minimum, you need 75,000 to run this strategy. Drawdown plus margin, which is 75,000. If you want to be more conservative, you can keep 1,25,000, 2x of drawdown plus the margin. 50, 50, 25, 1,25,000. It is up to you. All right. So guys, in option buying, very, very simple. Margin is not the capital. All right. You might need 25,000, but you need to keep the rest of the amount in your bank. All right. Now let's understand even further. Let's say you have an entirely short wall portfolio. What does that mean? I don't want to go very advanced. Short wall means you have a lot of option selling strategies. Simple as that. My humble request is, if you have a lot of short wall strategies or option selling strategies, having a buying strategy with it would really help your drawdown. You can add this strategy and check it out. Now, in this new cash regime where the closing price is not definitive, again, this strategy does not work on expiry days. It works on all days except expiry. It is cash proof. Let's say the market trended up and the call buy got triggered. Then what to do? The next day, let's say there was a gap up, you would still make money. This strategy is not affected by cash as much. You are not trading it till expiry. You are trading it till 1 day before expiry. Your last trade is at 9:16 on the expiry day. At 9:16, we exit the position every day. So again, adding this to your portfolio, be it a buying portfolio or a selling portfolio, is very, very beneficial. Now let's see how to save and trade this strategy. All right. So I just need to click on save and trade, and this unlock button comes. Where I click on unlock, and I can see the pricing for it. You can check out the pricing, and there's a huge discount if you buy the quarterly pricing. All right. If you buy the quarterly pricing, it's for 6,000 rupees, but if you buy it monthly, it's for 2,500 rupees. You can do it as per your convenience. All right. If you would like to know how to buy a strategy and save it and run it automatically as an algo, you can check out the I button over here and see our detailed video where we have covered all these points in a lot of detail. I will skip this part and I will go to the brokers. This is our broker setup page. As you can see, we have more than 50 brokers integrated with us, including Upstox, Shunya, IFL, Angel, Religare, Zerodha, and so on. Also, special deal. If you trade on AlgoTest with Upstox, your brokerage is only 10 rupees an order. To get that, you can sign up on Upstox on the link given in the description. If you're already an Upstox user, do not worry, you can still get the 10 rupees an order. Just connect your broker and it will be activated for you automatically. You don't need to call anyone, you don't need to mail anyone. All right. All the steps required for setup are already given. Now, let's say if you require hand holding and any help, you can always come to our RA Marketplace special Telegram channel where we give real-time support between 8 a.m. and 6 p.m. Monday to Friday. I hope you understood today how option buying can be made easy with the help of automation. AlgoTest is here to help you automate, educate, and activate your ideas and your strategies. If you have your own strategies which you would like to automate and activate, you can check out our website and the videos provided on our YouTube channel. I hope to see you in another video where we discuss yet another topic. Today was option buying. Next time is going to be positional. Thank you guys, and I hope to see you in the next video.